What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a video on the Avalanche today. Today's going to be a video that I honestly didn't think I would make it anytime soon. I knew it would happen eventually, but I didn't think it'd be happening anytime like around this time frame. I thought it'd be like down the road, maybe a year. This is something I just stumbled across because I never really looked into it, so I didn't know this was possible until just recently. But let's get right into that right now. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing on my Avalanche, the rear of the truck is significantly higher than the front of the truck, and I went out and measured it yesterday. It is 1 inch higher in the back than in the front, an entire inch. If you rotate the bolt for the torsion bars, you can increase the height in the front if they're relaxed enough downwards. You can literally increase the height by like 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches. I'm not sure what they're set on this. I don't even know if we gotta mess with them. I know we did put different tires on it, but you guys can even see from right here, clearly the back of the truck is taller than the front. We're gonna change that. It's super easy to change it. Extremely simple process. Really doesn't require much of anything. See your little toolkit over here. I believe they said it was like an 11 mil. It's definitely bigger than an 11 millimeter. You can raise or lower your truck with this. Obviously in my application, I'm gonna be raising it, but you can lower it, again, depending on how much it already is set at. Yeah, let's just get right into the actual process of me doing it then. Alright, like I said before, we're not at the shop, so I don't have access to a bunch of tools, but I do have my toolkit right here. This should be perfectly fine for what we're doing right here. Now they said in the video that it was an 11 millimeter, and I really highly doubt that. That just looks way too small. Maybe it's not, I don't know. Obviously because it's suspension, like a 15 millimeter, you know, beefer size at least. Alright, real quick, we have the tape measure, so we are going to double check real quick before we do any adjustments. And see exactly how much I'm gonna raise it in the front, because I might be able to raise it even more than 1 inch, but then if I do that, then the front is now taller than the back, and I just wouldn't even look, because as you can see, yeah, you can't really see. Yeah, you can't see, but the front of the truck, I've measured it, it's literally almost 1 inch lower on the front of the truck. So let's measure this real quick over here. The tip of that is about going on, I'm just gonna say it's about 20, a little bit under 20, a little bit under 20. Front was a little bit under 20, rear is a hair under 21, so pretty much 1 inch. So okay. Oh my. 15 is too small. Damn it. Alright. Now we should be able to do it. Almost contemplating just do this on the other side. Actually on like pavement and shit, but oh well. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Thank God I grabbed one more bigger. It's for 17 that. Are you kidding me? Oh! Alright, now due to this, I do not know how much I should actually raise these up. Okay, cool, we got the right one. Alright, so righty tighty. And then we just put her on here. Start tightening. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. They're probably somewhat seized on there due to them being 15. No, this truck's from 03, 17 plus years old, so you know, they're gonna do that. Might have to get some WD before I start doing this. Oh Jesus. Whew. Yeah, it's moving, but oh, is it giving me a hard time? Not the best angle for doing this. Alright. So, the good news is, I do have WD-40. The bad news is, it's in this. Yeah, that'll work. That'll do. Once I get past that. Yeah. Once I get past that, once I get towards the bolts that now have some WD on them, hopefully we'll be better off. Wash my hands off real quick with my all-purpose rag right here. This rag's been through hell and back. That's for damn sure. Yeah, when we do the transmission, I gotta scrape the entire frame and floor and coat it. We got quite a bit to go still, so hopefully this WD-40 will help us out. Hopefully, that's all we can do, hope. Definitely moved it up further than it was, 100%. How much? Not a lot. We got the jack handle. Hopefully, this helps us to some degree. That'd be awesome if it did. I think it will. Oh yeah. Oh damn it. Oh yeah. When I do the trans, which is going to be soon here, everything's gonna get coated. Get scuffed and coated. The frame's good. It just has all surface rust on it. Let's keep it going. Oh no! My biggest question is it going to affect ride quality? Because if it does, then it's probably not so good to do it. The videos I watched didn't really cover the ride quality afterward. Get on there. All right, how much more room we got actually? I want to see. Ooh, not that much. We only have like about an inch of travel in that bolt still. Guys, I highly recommend if you're gonna do this at your house, pretty much a standard wrench right here, size-wise. I mean socket. And yeah, you need more leverage on this. So using this jack handle, if you guys got one, use it. You're gonna thank yourself later. I was moving my whole big ass around with the stock wrench. I mean stocking. Trying to loosen this tighten this bastard up. I think that's all she wrote on the bolt. Yep, that bolt is all the way up. As far as you can get it. Let's go check out the truck now. The truck is now, as you guys can see, I'll put a beginning and after picture in the video. As you guys can see, the truck, just from here, looks a lot more level now. The truck overall is a lot taller now too. Because this is this side. This is the side we didn't mess with yet. The difference. Oh, I could tell. Yeah, 100%. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna do it on video because it's pointless. It's the exact same process. The pain in the ass that you saw, it's the exact same process yet again on the other side. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna get right back to you guys. So let me get right into that and finish that up real quick. All right, guys, quite literally half an hour later, I finally got the other side done on the Avalanche. My arm's still weak because that was a lot of work for 2 bolts. Yeah. It might look like the front of the truck is higher than the back right now, but technically if you go from the ground to the fenders, the bottom of the fenders right here, the rear is actually a little bit higher than the front. So yeah, that's how you guys can easily lift the front of your truck for absolutely free.
2 hours later.
It's like so dog shit. This is now the moment where Lucas makes me film him wash his truck. It happened with the Monte Carlo too. Damn, I need to learn how to hold this shit tight. I'll hold it like a dick. I don't know why I said that on camera.
Get out of here! I'm gonna try my best to not be evil.
Well, you failed already, so. really stuck in the corner because I don't want to get the camera wet.
Get that bird shit off.
Oh, I got it from the wall.
Yeah.
I'm surrounded.
That's pretty much it for today's video. Definitely more to come on the Avalanche, so if you're interested in that, stick around. Always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one.